Hey y'all, I have a special treat for you today. My husband is going to show you how to make some protein blueberry muffins, and he's going to be using Jiffy blueberry muffin mix and creamy vanilla casein protein. All right, y'all, if you're ready to make some high protein muffins, let's do this. All right, so to begin, we're going to use 1 package of the Jiffy blueberry muffin mix, and to prepare it, we're actually just going to follow the directions on the back of the package. So we're going to start with 1/4 cup of milk, and then we're going to add in 1 whole egg. All right, after the egg goes in, we're gonna give everything a good mix with a whisk. All right, y'all, so I kind of have to laugh here because as Jimmy is whisking the muffin mix, he's actually making Chonk do the truffle shuffle. Y'all, if you haven't seen The Goonies, you need to see it. It's a great movie. It's a classic. All right, so after the muffin mix has been made and mixed together, now we're gonna add in about 3/4 of a scoop of the creamy vanilla casein protein powder. And y'all, if you've never had this protein powder before, it has a very pleasant flavor. It almost has a coconut flavor, even though it says creamy vanilla. So if you haven't tried this one before, you need to give it a try. So we're just gonna add that to the mix, and then we're going to whisk that in as well. Now, because we're adding in another dry ingredient, we're actually going to need to add a little bit more milk. And you'll see that Jimmy starts with just a splash more of milk, but after the muffins were cooked, we decided that it could have used a little extra, so maybe 2 to 3 more splashes of milk. All right, so this recipe will make 6 regular sized muffins. So we're gonna take a muffin tin and spray it with a nonstick cooking spray. And then we're gonna fill each muffin mold with about 3/4 of the mixture. So after each mold is filled, we're gonna take the tin and just kind of bang it on the countertop just a bit, just to kind of flatten everything out. And then these are gonna go into a preheated 400-degree oven for about 11.5 minutes. All right, after 11.5 minutes, this is what we have, y'all. They look gorgeous and they smell amazing. Before we dig into these lovely muffins, Jimmy's going to take a toothpick and insert it into each muffin. And what we're hoping is that the toothpick comes out clean, because if it does, that means the muffins are good to go. And thankfully, the toothpick came out clean on each one. So we're just gonna let them cool for a bit before we do our taste test. All right, Dad, how is it?
Smells good.
They smell good, yeah.
Oh, pretty good.
Do you taste the protein powder?
Not much.
Hi, Millie. Does it have like a coconutty kind of flavor? Because that's what the protein powder tastes like.
Or vanilla.
Or vanilla. All right, try one, Millie.
Here, let's try this piece.
That means she likes it, y'all. That's her I like it face.
I'll probably add a little bit more milk.
Milk.
Maybe more blueberries to get like
More
that.
blueberries would be good too.
Fresh blueberries.
It's very good.
Would you add any like cinnamon or anything to it? No? Oh, come on. I think that.
Well, when you eat yours, you can add cinnamon to it all you want.
A little bit
Yeah.
more milk, that's all.
Well, I am a questionable home cook, so, you know.
Understatement.
Or maybe just more blueberries to get that like
You need
flavor.
fresh blueberries, yeah. But add a little
Get
bit more.
that better flavor. You get more.
A little bit more milk.
Cool.
Other than that, it's good. I'll do it again.
My turn to try. Millie, don't put bunny ears on me.
I wasn't even doing anything. You didn't put baby.
That's good. You can kind of taste the protein powder, but it doesn't taste proteiny. That's not the right word. But you can taste it. It has that coconut flavor. I don't know why.
I don't think it does.
It's good though. But yeah, I'd add a little bit more milk.
Keep them more moisture.
Yeah.
They're not dry, but they're not
Mm-mm.
super moist either.
How much milk would you add?
Another splash or two, like I
Yeah.
added.
So 2 to 3 splashes. Goodbye, everybody. See you in the next video.